Today I'm going to show you how I make okra fresh from the garden. It's my favorite recipe. When you harvest okra at this exact size, inside the pod is a specialized soluble fiber. The plant uses it to retain moisture in the summer heat, but when we eat that fiber, it acts as a prebiotic. So it stabilizes blood sugar spikes and feeds our gut microbiome. This is the first defense against anti-inflammation. I just washed these okra and I'm ready to make a small side dish of my favorite recipe called fried okra. I'm going to cut the ends off first. And then I slice them into even pieces about 1/4 inch thick. So they're about this size. And I've got some olive oil heating here. So that'll be the next step. I'm using cornmeal and flour over here, and it's in equal amounts. And then I'm going to crack an egg in this one. So I'm going to dip it in the egg and then in the flour and cornmeal mixture. Now that I've got the okra all cut up, I'm going to dip it in the eggs and then put it in the cornmeal and flour. Just mix it good. And then I've got olive oil heated up. So once they're mixed in really good with this cornmeal and flour mix, then I put it in the pan. And it's kind of sticky because of the okra being a little bit moist. So I even it out with a spatula. And these cook up pretty fast. So it's only a few minutes on each side where then it's going to be ready to flip. So now it's ready to flip over. I just let it brown a little bit on each side. Now it's ready to serve.